So good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about Jude Bellingham. Hey, Jude has signed for a proper football club, a football club that was very upset getting battered by Manchester City this season, so decided to rip it all up and start again. No bidding wars, no haggling over prices, no PR, no rainbow alphabet mob. They don't peddle any of that, by the way. They actually take a fine every year from FIFA and UEFA, whoever it is, for refusing to do that. Big up to them. It's a football club. Yeah, it's a football club. Let's remember that. But make sure you are sub to the channel. Big up to everybody who is subscribed to the channel. I do appreciate you all. You are real ones. Thank you very much for jumping on board. How many subs are we currently on? Let's have a little butchers. Do smash the like. We're 12,477 millimeters from 12 and a half. Let's get that out to 13 by today. Come on, people. The videos are doing bits at the minute as well, so thank you very much. But Jude Bellingham has been officially unveiled. 103 million. A proper football club acts like a proper football club by going and getting business done to upgrade their team in the first team positions, not just squad fillers. Take note, all the other clubs out there. This player is going to be playing week in, week out, because they want to upgrade on the current midfield. They need some legs in midfield. He's a fantastic footballer. Good luck to him. I'm sure he's going to love Madrid. But this is on Real Madrid's website, realmadrid.com. A proper website, by the way. One of the best players in the world has come to Madrid. He decided his story had to lead him to the most prestigious club in world football, said Florentino Perez. Jude Bellingham was unveiled as a new Real Madrid player. The event took place in Madrid City and kicked off with a screening of video with the best images of the English midfielder. Afterwards, club president Florentino Perez addressed the audience. It is one of those days we should feel very proud because one of the best players in the world has come to Madrid. And he is here with us because he has chosen to be here. He could have chosen to go to any of the big clubs that wanted to sign the player with his quality. But he decided that the story had to lead him to the most prestigious football club in the world. You are only 19 years old and you have already become one of those players that all football fans want to see in a stadium. This is the moment that you have been dreaming about for so long. I know how hard you have worked to be part of the club with 14 European Cups. Make note, take note, 14. There's a reason for that because they're actually serious about winning instead of virtue signaling. You are going to experience feelings that are only within the reach of the chosen ones, and here we'll try and make you happy so that you can achieve everything that you have yet to win. You are ready for these challenges, but never forget, with this badge and this shirt, nothing is impossible for you. Thank you for becoming a Madrista and having the ambition to continue making your own history at this club, which is the most loved and admired, but also the most demanding in the world. Oh, my days, Florentino Perez. I've not read this until now. Florentino Perez. Bad man. He gets it. He gets it. The most demanding football club in the world. Thank you, which is why they're the most successful. It's why they always win stuff. Real Madrid values. Here we go. From this moment on, the values that identify us and help us to achieve seemingly impossible for many will stay with you forever. I'm sure you will fall in love with Real Madrid, like so many millions of children watching how they have won 5 Champions League trophies in the last 10 years, in those unforgettable matches, in those spectacular comebacks, in those magnificent finals. All our values are to be found. Hard work, self-improvement, camaraderie, respect, humility, solidarity, and something that characterizes us, for us, is the attitude towards life. At Madrid, we never give up. Bellingham's words were, I'm joining the biggest club in the world. Well, he gets it. He knows. This is the most important day of my life because I'm joining the biggest club in the world. Thanks to everyone who's made it possible, to Borussia Dortmund, to Birmingham City. Nice touch. Big up to him for that. The president of Real Madrid, Huni Califat, Jose Angel Sanchez, and all of my family for their support. Hala Madrid. Before the presentation ceremony, Jude Bellingham signed his contract in the boardroom at Real Madrid City, accompanied by the club president Florentino Perez. After the signing, he was presented with a watch and a replica of the Santiago Bernabeu and a shirt bearing his name and number 5. He has taken bad man Zidane's number. And I'll tell you what, very similar characteristics in his playing style to Zidane. I'm not saying he's ever going to be that good. But because I've seen Zidane, I've seen Zidane. That guy was a bad man. He was a G, a proper footballer. Yeah, don't make him like him anymore. But Jude Bellingham, the way he carries the ball, the way he is on the ball, driving forward, very, very similar characteristics. Now, listen, if he can emulate half of what Zidane done in his career, this guy's going to be a great. But it's obviously not phasing him playing for Real Madrid. It's obviously not phasing him being worth over 100 million quid. So good luck to him, man. It's always nice when you see an English footballer go to Madrid. Yeah, we've seen Michael Owen go there. We've seen Jonathan Woodgate go there. Both of them didn't really quite have it. You know, Beckham went there. Love him. They love him. Steve McManaman, yeah, absolute legend for Madrid. Legend. Yeah, he is worshipped so badly in Madrid. It is crazy. Big up to Stevie McManaman. Let's hope Jude Bellingham can do the same. And listen, he's playing for the biggest club on the planet. And he's going to be playing week in, week out. He's going to obviously try and learn the Spanish language, I'd imagine, which, as I know, isn't that easy. But as a 19-year-old, it's a lot easier to learn something than it is when you're 41. But my Spanish ain't too bad, I can't lie. But let's get some more quotes. Fabrizio's posted this out. I was at the final when Madrid beat Liverpool, said Bellingham. It was a huge factor in my decision to beat Real Madrid, to join Real Madrid, sorry. I'm joining the greatest club in the world, and it's not about the money. Exactly, you could have got the money everywhere. My dad told me about Madrid interest last year, 12 to 15 months ago. And trust me, I got goosebumps and my heart stopped a bit. Money was never the factor in my career. This is the best club in the world. He's then done a video, a bit of an interview talking about Kylian Mbappe. I'm not going to play that because I'll get done for copyright. But he was asked about Kylian Mbappe. Would you like Kylian Mbappe at Madrid? Blah, blah, blah. He was very respectful. He basically said, who wouldn't want to be in the same team as Kylian Mbappe? But I've seen a lot of things online. Don't know what's going on. It's his career. I'm not getting involved. So fair play to him for that. He then said, I was told when Real Madrid came to my house to meet us, it was huge because they were great with my family. They didn't try to manipulate them. It was a great moment. Goosebumps. You dream of moments as a kid like this. Of course, all of my friends of England national team wanted me to go back to the Premier League. It was an easier option for me in my comfort zone. But you just can't turn down the big, greatest Real Madrid. This guy gets it, man. This guy gets it. And I'll tell you something, Real Madrid get it. So this guy's going to shine. I know he is. I know he will absolutely fly at Real Madrid. He's got the right mentality, man. And he is extremely talented. Yeah, he is a top footballer. And he is only 19. So he's still got years and years. And he's going to be learning with Kroos, with Modric. You know, top players, man. Got Courtois there. I know he's a goalkeeper, but got some top players there. Top players there that have been there for years and years and get the club. They can obviously show him around. They can help him learn the language. Obviously, a lot of them will speak English anyway. I'm sure Modric and Kroos speak English. You know, there will be a lot of them. Courtois probably speaks English as well, I'd imagine. So there's going to be a lot of them that help him fit in. They'll be showing him the values of that football club. I've been to that stadium to watch Arsenal legends against Real Madrid legends. And I can tell you now, it oozes class and tradition. Yeah, all the trophies, the stadium, is just everything about that club oozes class. Yeah, everything about it. And do you know why? Because the president of that football club has never allowed the standards to drop. The president before him never allowed them to drop. The president before that, and the one before that, and the one before that. And guess what? The fans have the same standards as the football club, which are up here. They have literally ripped up. Benzema's gone. He chose to leave. Yeah, they've got rid of a couple of players. Asensio's joined PSG. They've got rid of a couple of others. And now they're going to sign Joselu as a striker. He won't be the only one. That'll be kind of a squad filler. But they will go out there and they'll make another marquee signing by the end of this window. They will do about 350 million this summer. Yeah, because they got battered by Real Madrid and they said, no, we ain't having that. That is not the standards of this football club. Florentino Perez said it. He said, I didn't even talk to the players, didn't want to speak to anyone. That is not how we deal with Champions League games. That is not the standards of this football club. Yeah, and here we are. 103 million euro signing. Jude Bellingham rocks up within what? Well, it's been done for weeks. It's been done for weeks, but the window's not open yet. Well, it's been done for weeks. Yeah, that is how you act as a football club. Meanwhile, when Arsenal got battered by Manchester City, very similar to how Real Madrid battered them, when Arsenal got battered by Real Madrid. Arsenal's Twitter account posted out, and the Instagram account posted out, heads up, on to the next. Meanwhile, Real Madrid, Florentino Perez is coming out condemning everyone, saying that is not acceptable, that is not the levels, that is not the standards or the values of our football club, and we need to rectify that now. Yeah, straight away, they're terminating contracts left, right, and centre. Come on, man. Yeah, everyone should be looking at that football club and saying that's where we need to be. Hala Madrid. Big up to Real Madrid, man. Big up to Jude Bellingham, man. Yeah, I'm sure he's going to smash it. Like I said, I think he's a top player. Yeah, and good luck to him, man. He's gone out there, and he could have taken the easy option of going and playing in England. But if Real Madrid come calling, you're going. It's as simple as that. Top player. He's in a top team. And he's the 6th Englishman to play for Real Madrid. I bet you can't name them all. Leave it in the comment section. You'll probably get five of them, including him. Here we go. What else we got here? So he was talking about Modric and Kroos. He said, I'll be like a sponge around them. They'll probably be annoyed with me after the first week. It's safe to say Bellingham is eager to learn from Kroos and Modric. I'll be like a sponge around them. See, the mentality, man. The mentality. I want to learn. I want to get better. I want to do my best. I want to be the greatest. It's unbelievable. And when I see, what's his name? Haaland the other day. Haaland said to Thierry Henry, can you give me one piece of advice that would make me a better player? Elite mentality. This is why these players don't come to my club. Yeah, they don't want to come to clubs that are not serious. Yeah, then you've got Camavinga, who's obviously at Madrid. He's won every trophy you can win. He's done it all for Real Madrid already. He's won everything. Every single trophy you can win at Real Madrid, he's won it. It's completed football. All he needs now is a World Cup. It's mad. Yeah, he came out the other day, yesterday, and said, I want to win as many trophies as I can before I retire. Meanwhile, at Arsenal, well, the aim was to win a trophy. We didn't, but we've had a good season. Okay, imagine a Real Madrid player saying that. They'd be shipped out real quick. Same Man United. Yeah, it all happens at all of these Premier League clubs, which is why none of them are ever going to get to anywhere near. Only Man City have the elite mentality of Real Madrid. The rest of the Premier League clubs couldn't care less. But listen, it is what it is. Leave your thoughts, feelings, opinions down below. Smash the like button. I'm going to go and chill. Make sure you check out the videos on the main channel. Dropped a video about Kai Havertz. Go and see that. That was an angry meltdown. And then there's a video coming out at 6:30 UK time about Declan Rice bid being rejected. Obviously, the serious club in England are now coming in for him, Man City. And then there's another one coming out tonight about that inverted twat that plays for my club, Zinchenko. Basically, being prejudiced and racist, really, towards Russians. Kind of mad, considering Mesut Ozil was kicked out of the football club. And they haven't distanced themselves from this yet. No politics in football and all of that, they said before, with Mesut Ozil. Same club has got a alphabet logo. I don't know, like the rainbow merchant profile picture. Yeah, okay, mate. Good one. Anyway, check that video out as well. That'll be out later tonight. We're out of here. Later. Adios. Ciao.